What if I told you that one of the most powerful treasure hunting tools today isn't a metal detector or a map? It's AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm starting to use ChatGPT to uncover forgotten outlaw stories, find historic sites, get permission to dig, decode treasure maps, and even identify found relics. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is the game changer every modern day treasure hunter needs, so let's dig in. Are you ready to unlock hidden treasure leads, decode outlaw legends, and hunt down forgotten history using artificial intelligence? This just might be the ultimate tool you never knew you needed. Because today we're diving into how ChatGPT and AI can transform the world of the modern day treasure hunter, helping you uncover maps, histories, lost sites, and even land permissions, and it's way easier than you might think. If this old-time low-tech treasure hunter can do it, so can you, so let's go. This is your AI research assistant, 24/7, no coffee breaks. What if you had a personal historian, librarian, and research assistants available to you 24/7? ChatGPT can dig through layers of historical data in seconds. Just type something like, "Give me a list of known outlaw robberies near New Mexico between 1860 and 1900. And boom, you get dates, locations, names of gangs, types of loot, escape routes, etc. And you can follow up with which of these robberies were never solved or the loot never recovered. And that's where the gold is, literally. ChatGPT connects dots between news archives, legends, and historical references, so you're not just starting from scratch anymore. Need help pinpointing hidden treasure locations? Let's say you want to find old homesteads, abandoned towns, or stagecoach routes. Ask ChatGPT, where were the original homesteads in Duchesne County, Utah? Give me the GPS coordinates of known stagecoach trails through Colorado. You can even get leads like forgotten mines, ghost towns, sites mentioned in old diaries, newspapers, or outlaw testimonies, train wrecks, or battles where payroll chests were lost. Pair this with Google Earth and old topographical maps. You're hunting smarter than 99% of the crowd. Searching for outlaw robberies and stagecoach heists. AI doesn't just find locations, it gives you context. If you want to follow a story, you can say, "Tell me everything about Butch Cassidy's last known robbery. What is the legend behind the Lost Roads mine? Where was the KGC believed to have buried Confederate gold in Oklahoma?" You'll get background, players involved, motives, local rumors, and sometimes forgotten clues that got buried with time. AI doesn't just give you information, it gives you direction. Need land permission without blowing it? One of the biggest hurdles in treasure hunting, access to private land. ChatGPT can help you write polite, professional emails to landowners, old school letters you can mail with maps and pictures, a solid permission slip or contract that protects both parties, both you and the landowner. Here's an example prompt. Write a simple one-page agreement between a landowner and a metal detectorist who will be searching for historical artifacts. Need to find who owns a piece of land? Ask, how do I find property records for Sevier County, Utah? AI can guide you to county assessors, public GIS maps, and contact info. You're not just knocking on random doors anymore. Found something weird, old, or just plain interesting? Upload a photo if your ChatGPT has vision enabled and say, "What is this object? Estimate the age and possible value." You can even ask, "How do I tell if this coin is real Spanish silver? What's the best way to clean this 1800s belt buckle without damaging it? Could this be a Jesuit treasure marker?" While AI isn't a certified appraiser, It can give you a solid starting point and guide you to experts or forums where you can get it verified. Need help planning your hunt like a pro? Want help organizing your treasure hunt? Just ask. Help me plan a 3-day treasure hunt near Monument Valley focused on outlaw legends. You'll get suggested locations, historical context, gear checklist, local weather info, nearby accommodations, even safety tips. ChatGPT becomes your virtual expedition planner. You can even have it write YouTube descriptions, Facebook posts, or even flyers if you're hosting a treasure hunting meetup or group hunt, like the 2025 Moon Lake Gathering for treasure hunters, Bigfoot, and UFO enthusiasts from all over the world. Decoding symbols and treasure maps. Stumbled on a rock carving, old map, or strange tree markings? Ask ChatGPT. What does a triangle with a dot in the middle mean on a Spanish treasure map? Interpret this symbol I found etched into a canyon wall near Monticello, Utah. While it's not always 100% accurate, and you will need to train it in the beginning to let it know that you only want true and accurate information. AI can reference known KGC symbols, Spanish codes, Masonic signs, and outlaw markings. It's like having a cryptographer in your pocket. Building your own treasure network. Want to connect with historians, landowners, or fellow hunters? Just ask, where can I find Facebook groups about treasure hunting in Utah? What museums or local historians might know about treasure legends in Missouri? Who specializes in dowsing or Spanish Jesuit symbols in the Southwest? AI can help you build your network faster and smarter than trial and error. Still not convinced? Here are a few other things AI can help treasure hunters do. Write books or blog posts about your discoveries. Make YouTube videos using scripts like this one. Track your finds in a spreadsheet or log. Brainstorm new locations based on seasonal changes. Analyze terrain features from satellite photos. Cross-reference newspaper archives from the 1800s. Even create fictionalized versions of real stories to entertain and educate. It's not just about digging in the dirt, it's about mining information too. So whether you're chasing the Lost Roads mine, Spanish Jesuit gold, or just looking for a cool relic in your backyard, AI, especially ChatGPT, is one of the most powerful tools a modern-day treasure hunter can carry. No batteries, no shovel needed. Just curiosity and a little bit of imagination. Use it to research. Use it to connect. Use it to uncover what others have missed. If you're already using AI for treasure hunting research, leave a comment and share with the rest of us. And don't forget to mash that like button. It only takes a few seconds. I don't know if it helps me with YouTube or not, but it sure makes me feel good. And with that said, that's a wrap.